We need to meet up to finish our project report. The deadline is next Monday.
You're right, I totally forgot about it. When are you free this week?
I have some time tomorrow afternoon. How about 2 p.m. on Tuesday?
Sorry, I can't. I have a dentist appointment at that time. My teeth are killing me.
Oh, no. Okay, what about Wednesday morning, say 10 a.m.?
Wednesday is bad too. I have meetings all day. My calendar is a mess.
Wow, you are busy. Okay, let's try Thursday. Are you free after work? Maybe 6 p.m.?
Let me check my phone. Thursday at 6 p.m. Yes, actually, that works for me.
Great. We can meet at the library. It is quiet there.
The library is closed on Thursday evenings for cleaning.
Really? I didn't know that. Okay, let's go to the coffee shop next door instead.
The one with the good donuts?
Yes, that one.
Perfect. Coffee and donuts. That works for me.
Awesome. See you Thursday at 6. Ugh, this is hopeless. My fingers are like stiff sausages. I keep hitting the wrong keys.
It sounds okay to me. You only started lessons last week. Be patient.
That is the problem. I am 30 years old. I should have started when I was 5. My brain is too old to learn music now.
Stop that. Age is just a number. You always wanted to play the piano. Better late than never.
I know, but look at those kids on the internet. They are amazing. I will never be good. It feels like a waste of time.
You are not doing it to be a professional. You are doing it for fun. Do you enjoy it?
I suppose so. I like the sound. It helps me relax after a long day at work.
Exactly. Imagine if you never tried. You would always regret it.
You are right. If I quit now, I will never learn.
So keep practicing. Even if you learn slowly, it is better late than never.
Okay, I will try this song one more time, but please cover your ears.
I will put on my headphones. Good luck.
I am completely exhausted. I can't believe we shopped until 9 p.m. All the stores are closing.
Me neither. These bags are heavy. We need to head home soon. The last train leaves in an hour.
I know, but I am starving. I feel a bit dizzy.
That is not good. There's a fast food place across the street. Let's grab a bite.
A fast food place? Will we have to wait long? We really don't have time for a slow dinner.
Don't worry. It is casual and very fast. We can order at the counter.
Do they have anything hot? It is getting cold out here.
They make the best toasted sandwiches and hot soup in the city. It is perfect for a quick dinner.
Hot soup sounds amazing right now. You convinced me. I can't walk home on an empty stomach.
Great. We can eat quickly and then run to the station. Come on, let's grab a bite.
Lead the way. My stomach is growling so loud. Finally, it is Friday night. I am so ready to go out. Do you have any plans?
Not really. I just want to do something fun.
Me too. We have 2 options. We can go to the new cinema downtown, or we can try that bowling alley near the park.
Bowling sounds active, but the movie sounds relaxing. I honestly can't decide.
Come on, you need to pick one. I always make the plans.
I am too tired to think right now. I trust your judgment. It is up to you.
That is a lot of pressure. Remember last time I picked the restaurant and you hated the food?
That was different. The food was too spicy. Just pick something simple. I promise I won't complain this time.
Okay, if I choose, we are going bowling. I have too much energy to sit in a dark theater.
Bowling sounds great, but you have to drive.
Fine, I will drive, but the music in the car is up to you.
Deal. I will pick the best playlist. Let's go.
You have been busy in here for 2 hours. It sounds like a war zone. Is dinner almost ready?
Just wait. I am preparing a gourmet feast. It is going to be delicious.
Are you sure you don't need help? Last time you cooked, we ordered pizza.
That was a mistake. This time is different. I followed a video online. Honestly, cooking this roast chicken is a piece of cake.
Okay, if you say so. But wait a minute. What is that smell? Is something burning?
Burning? No, that is just the smell of spices. Oh no, the oven.
It smells like smoke. Open the door.
It is a disaster. The chicken is completely black. The vegetables are ash.
Wow, that is definitely not edible. So, what is plan B?
Plan B is ham and cheese sandwiches. I can't mess that up.
Great choice. Making a sandwich really is a piece of cake.
Please stop laughing. Just pass me the mayonnaise.
I must be dreaming. Look at this lake. It is crystal clear, and the mountains look like a painting.
I told you this place was amazing. We are only 2 hours away from the city, but it feels like a different planet.
It is so quiet. No traffic, no sirens, and no emails. Honestly, for a stressed office worker like me, this piece is too good to be true.
The air here is so fresh. Take a deep breath. It smells like pine trees, not exhaust fumes.
I could stay here forever. The sun is warm and the breeze is perfect. I really don't want to go back to my tiny cubicle on Monday.
Let's not think about Monday. Let's just enjoy the sunlight right now.
You are right. But sitting here, watching this view, it still feels a little too good to be true.
Well, it is real, and we have the whole weekend to enjoy it.